In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing the Year Without a Summer in 1816. Crops failed, and famine spread across Europe and North America. But did you know this led to the creation of Frankenstein? Mary Shelley, trapped indoors by the cold, wrote her famous novel. This eruption also inspired the invention of the bicycle, as horses became scarce. How can one volcanic eruption change the world? The power of nature and human creativity intertwined, leaving a legacy of innovation and literature. What other hidden connections lie in history's shadows?